Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we have a quick unboxing to do from Acme Tools. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so we're going to be doing a quick unboxing real quick. I use the Milwaukee 48-22-1502 box cutter. Pop this open. The box has been sitting on my cart for probably like two or so days. Couple little airbags. Got a holiday book smashed in here, as well as a flyer, holiday gift guide flyer. Order receipt and a $100 gift card, or $100 wine voucher, not a gift card. Alright, so this is item number 48-22-1540. It is the 5-in-1 Milwaukee knife. There is a 6-in-1 that is new, that just came out. Apologize in the previous video. It's not the new one that just came out. I think this is fairly new though. Slide lock secures blade, screwdriver with double-ended bit, tether ready. So the 6-in-1 looks just like this guy, but it has this box cutter head, and instead of having the 5-blade holder like this guy right here does, it has this and the screwdriver on the back. I ordered 3 knives at Acme Tools. Just gonna pop it out the package real quick. Simple as that. This does have a serrated blade. It is quite sharp. Does look like it's got the same metal on the blade as this guy right here. The metal reminds me of lots of bits and pieces of metal. I'm sorry, not metal, but lots of bits and pieces of metal that were finely ground up, that were mixed together and forged, is what it looks like to me. Looks like a bunch of metal particles in the blade. The blades have held up fine. I also have the camo version of this blade. I grabbed this because it had the serrated blade. It has 2 bits, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would assume the 5 would be the 2-sided for the bit. Phillips flathead, 1/4 inch nut driver. The blade, as well as on the back of the blade, is a bottle opener. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5 in 1. Has nice retention. It locks in right there. So you can use it as a screwdriver, which is a nice feature, will come in handy. You can also move the belt clip from this side to this side, depending on how you want to wear it. You just push this lock in. Folds up pretty nice. It's pretty compact. It's a little bit longer than that guy. It's a little bit longer than the 48-22-1502. The handle is plastic, just like the handle on this guy is plastic. The handle on this one is metal, on the box cutter. And this knife is 48-22-15-20. This one, the new one, is a 48-22-15-40. This guy is 48-22-15-02. The single box blade is 48-22-1500. The camo version of this guy right here. This one is the 48-22-15-20. The camo version is 48-22-15-24. And I do have quite a bit of them. So 48-22-1500, I have 2 of them. The 48-22-1502, I have 2 of them as well. And this is 48-22-1985, and this is the hook blade. You know, and just a comparison real quick. I got these during Black Friday time about a few weeks ago from Home Depot. These are the 2-pack of DeWalt's that you can get from Home Depot. This is the spring assisted right here. And this guy is just a regular flipper. I don't remember the part numbers on these guys. They're not marked on the blades. But 2 DeWalt's right here. And the reason I have 2 of these and 2 of these is because I picked up 2 sets from Home Depot 2 different times. One I'm leaving in the toolbox. One I carry with me most of the time. This one, this box cutter, I've carried with me every day since I got it. This one I bought first. This one actually has a fluke. This magnet is actually on the inside instead of being magneted on the back towards the housing. The new one is actually correct. The magnet is not on this side like that one is, but it's on the inside. So it holds the blades as well as does magnet it a little bit to the body, makes it a little stiffer. These 2, I picked the red handle up first for $14.95. this one was $14.97. This one was $19.97. And 2 days later, went to Home Depot for something else. Found this one. It was on sale for the same price as this one. It went down. And the lady actually had to, because the price tag on the hanger stated camo, Milwaukee, such and such. Stated the information for this knife. Said $14.97, but when it came up, it rang up as $19.97. She actually fixed it. I'm assuming that the $14.97 for this knife was just happened to have been that day, and they hadn't changed it in the system yet. But I do have quite a bit of Milwaukee knives. I will be getting the box cutter version of this guy soon. Whenever it shows up, it was back ordered. So I'll have this one in the box cutter version, and this is nice and hefty. It doesn't want to swing though. Just gonna have to break it in. This does have bronze bushings like every other knife that they do carry. I also got the original spring assisted knife, the 48-22-15-30 as well. It is nice and stiff though, so it's going to have to be used and broken in. But all in all, I'm very pleased with Milwaukee's knives and box cutters. The other reason I like having 2 of this one and 2 of this one is in case my wife needs to use one, she can go grab one. I'm not worried about it. I got plenty of blades. I got plenty of box cutters. But I figured having one of each, you know, she wants to use them and she likes them. That's great. I like that they swing. All of these do that. This one is a little more sensitive. I can't push the button all the way down. Most of these, if not all of them, are fastbacks. So it does it well too. So does this one. Yep, I think all of them are fastback. This one actually flips open pretty well. I've been using this one quite a bit. It's not as tight as it was when I got it, but it was looser than every other knife. It was looser than the red handle for sure. See? Doesn't take much effort to flip. Not much effort at all. This one has gotten looser since I got it. It was extremely tight and it didn't want to flip before. It does work pretty well. The new one is definitely going to need, you can see how tight it is. Took that many shakes just to get it to flip. I don't normally flip this one, but it does flip. It does flip very well. I've used this one quite a bit. This one actually takes very little effort to flip. This one I do not believe. No, it does have bronze bushings. Look at that. I know you guys can't see it, but I can. Trust me, it does have bronze bushings. But quick video. If you guys are interested in this, I'll leave a link to Acme Tools. Home Depot might be carrying this one. I don't think they will. I did see the new version of the box cutter that looks just like this. It was at Home Depot. Kind of aggravating. I bought it at Acme Tools with this and another knife. Went back 2 days later to Home Depot. Picked this guy. No, I had picked this guy up a day before. But so I ordered them online. The box cutter version of this one, and then the older spring assisted model which is the 1540 if I remember correctly. And I went back a couple days later to go grab something else while I was doing a project, and sure enough, next to this 2-pack, the 2-pack like this right here, hanging on the shelf, there was the box cutter version of this, the 6-in-1. So I was a little aggravated. You know, I could have just waited a couple days and bought it, you know, at Home Depot instead of, you know, having to wait for my back order. But, you know, great thing about Acme Tools is I pre-ordered them in a sense, and because they were out of stock, I don't get charged until they ship. So, you know, it's not a big deal. You know, it happens. But this is 4822-1540, this guy right here. I do appreciate you watching. Appreciate you hanging out with me today. Please, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And as always, I do have a link down below in the top of the description that is for ulsatools.com. If you click on that link, it will get you guys 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back a 10% off of my next purchase from ulsatools.com. If you guys need any toolbox organization, or you need some hand tools, torque wrenches, torque screwdrivers, anything like that, go check them out. Give them a shot. If you find something you like, use the link. Saves you some money. Helps me out. Do appreciate your guys' time. As always, appreciate the subscribers and the people that stick around and watch the videos and hang out with me. Appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Please have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!